Alrighty, welcome to Cam's Art Out of the Fire. Going to make up some chainmail this week. As a video I've got a request for. So here's some of the chainmail that we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing 4 to 1. So 1 center one, 4 outer. So I managed to get some links. What are these ones? This one, you may notice that when you buy them, they're normally... Actually, I might zoom in that a little bit more. Let's see if that would help. Nope. Okay. When they come, they are cut in a straight line along here. So, and that is still a little bit blurry. Cut in a straight line. You're going to need to you're going to need 2 pliers, sets of pliers. Get the first one. First move you do is compress it slightly. So now they're no longer lined up, they're slightly over. If you're going, this is the easiest way to start off closing them off. Is by doing like so. By doing that, you actually get a better close over because you actually compress. You made it so it goes like so. When you're closing it up, it puts the tension on, so it means it won't have the gap in the middle. If you let me see if I can find one. Here's one that hasn't been closed properly versus one what has been closed properly. Yeah, let's see if you, because the gap that for this one is right where my fingernail is there, but you can see I can fit my fingernail into this one. This is how I got a bunch of these links given to me by, from a project someone else is doing. So I've got a few of these like this, but they need to be closed like this one is. So from this, you do a bunch. Here's 4, but you also want to do like the other one. You want to have it so this one's the same as the first one. You want to compress it slightly, and then you want to open it up by going like so. Then you grab this one, put your 4 links on, and then close it over. It's really hard to do this while looking through the camera. Until it closes over. Same as for the other one. Then from this position you split it into two panels. So 2 on each side. Get another one what's started. Hook on. Put another 2 on. This is the easiest way to start. This is just the starting point for you guys to actually start with. You want to start making a 1 to 2 link. Start off. Ooh, that one wasn't pressed enough. Over and click. Okay, that's the basic start of the portal. Then I'm going to bring the... Whoop. Sorry, I kicked the camera tripod. I've got already pre-started pile of rings and a pile of ones already half opened. From here, you get your 2, your center one, grab 2 rings on, close. Now, this is where I'm going to grab a piece of wire. This one, not wire, this one's a knitting needle. Make it easier on yourself. I should have done this before actually starting. You go through. I'm trying to decide which way I'm going to go. Let's go that way. Go through the 4 up top. Okay. Oop. Make sure it sits properly. Okay. Now, from this, I've stuffed up. No, I haven't. Okay. Got one too many in that loop. That's better. Okay. Get another of the open ones. Go through here, through the first, through these two, at the two. Then you connect. Make sure you don't go through the third or through this one. Then you rotate this one into this one right here, like so. Grab an extra one of these and on. Close it up. Ooh, that's not sitting properly again. I can see that I haven't closed that link properly, so I'm going to have to go back and fix that one. Got a bunch of these that aren't closed over enough. So, in and try and get it so it's not going to sit properly. The reason why I recommend having it on the pin or on the piece of wire is so it would actually sit properly, so you don't, every time you pick it up, you don't modify it. So in through, then an extra one. Go with pliers. And that's the basic way of starting this. Okay. So I'll get another ring. Slide that one onto here. Then take this one through, yeah. Through, ring. So you want to make sure you got 4 rings onto that one that you're closing. Like so. Another one. Try and make sure you go onto this one, not this one, when you go through the links. Through. Then put this one onto that side. For some reason it makes it easier. And just continue, repeat until you get to 10 by 10 sizes, or I go until I get to the rough shape size what I need. So yeah, that's the quickest way of doing these. Okay, now you want to try and make up a panels like this, because then you can attach more pieces to it. But when you do, make sure you have the hang right. for when chainmail hangs, it hangs like so, not like this. If it hangs like this, it's actually too open and blades will get caught in it. So you want to have it so when it's hanging, it hangs down like literally every ring overlaps the other ring next to it. So that way is, this way is up and down. That way, it should because the weight makes it open, so you're able to get a blade in through these gaps. Actually, I've got an idea. Bodkin arrowhead. Lucky I have one behind me. This will give you an example of piercing. Will go for easier when it's like that, because the weave is open and the arrow will just go straight through. When it's on an angle like so, it will still grab, but it goes, instead of going through one link, it now has to go through 2 links. So that way it actually makes it harder for the arrow to go through, or the tip to go through. So you want to have it so it hangs like so. I'm currently doing up some strips. I've got 3 of them at the moment for a project that's coming up that I'm doing for just a piece of armour that is, I kind of got it inspired for making up some armour while watching Vikings again, so I'm thinking about trying to do up a Lagertha armour, and this is the start of it. So but yeah, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to go check out my Etsy and check out my Ko-fi, Instagram and YouTube. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. So catch you later. Bye.